I assume you're here because you do share some of the questions on this screen with me. You might ask yourself what exactly online learning is, and then what makes it quality online learning. There is our instructor perception, but there's also the student perspective, and we'll look at some of those factors. What I hope this course will do is, because you are in the student shoes, allow you to see with both set of eyes. If we return to our topic today, instructional design, learning theory and design theories, we'll look at what constitutes those and what makes them differ in parts 2. We also look at the reasons of why do we apply learning theory to the design of courses at all, and what the connection really is between the learning theories and the design theories. And then lastly, we'll assess our pedagogy and look at it more critically to really understand why it is crucial to teaching online. Okay, so let's get moving. Starting from a definition, the term online learning is used in many different ways. Most broadly, though, it refers to a method of delivering educational information using the internet. Online learning can happen on many different levels and at many different scales. As you can see on this slide, there's a variety of modes in which online learning can happen. And if we look at the number of people that it takes for this learning to take place, well, it really can be any number. It can start with one person, and it might actually be you taking a course, or maybe just browsing YouTube or looking something up, really, right? But we know that courses can be large too. You might have heard of MOOCs, where there are 100,000 people in a shared environment going for the same things, wanting to learn something specific. Online learning is often presented as liberated education, in the sense that it dissolves the constraints of time and space that go with face-to-face teaching. And if we're looking at it, we see that the openness of the internet is really its most radical and pedagogically viable feature, because it can make online learning a more accessible form of learning for all those people who are seeking, a range of educational opportunities at different points in their life. So, what is quality in online learning? Existing quality assurance frameworks, guidelines, and benchmarks show that quality has many dimensions. And what I hope we will be doing in this course is to distill these into a number of common issues to which we as new practitioners could attend as initial reference points in this early stage of designing a course. So what I'm hoping I can help you do is to go out of this course with a guide that we kind of agree upon as a mode for assistance in the design process. What then constitutes quality in online learning? We will, in the following, engage with a number of texts and models that describe to us the different benchmarks or quality standards that have been applied by universities and greater organizations in numerous contexts around the world. So if we want to establish the meaning of quality in online learning, one way we can do that is through the people we work with most closely, our students. Students really play a very important role in the process of assuring quality, and research has shown that online learning can be stimulating and at times even advantageous over face-to-face learning if it is not just, delivered to a passive student. When asked which quality factors students identify as important in their online learning experience, they often cite these 5 items here.